Hi, this is the post-sales procedure video for the Canon XL2 mini DV digital video recorder with 20x zoom lens and accessories. This is for eBay buyer smuddy08 and this is item number 292 455787733. I have my dog in the background, so if you hear any weird noises, please ignore her. So what's included with this? You get the camera, you get the mic, you get the mounting pad that's for your shoulder, you get the 20x zoom lens, you get the 300 milliamp battery pack, you get the battery charger with UK plug transformer, slide adapter and instructions, and you get your remote control, you get a Canon composite video to SCART converter, and you get a mini DV head cleaner cassette. Now all the items are here. I will show you them functioning, but just to go over the camera before I show you the functionality, you will get marks on these because these are used kit, and because of the age you're going to get a bit of wear and tear, but just to show you, that's the serial number. And keep my arm steady. Let's put this down and show you the number. So 33491050163. Right, so let's get started. So just to show you the charger there, you've got your slide on adapter as well for the charger, which allows you to power up the camera without a battery. You've got your instructions here as well for the battery charger. You've got this UK transformer. Now I'm going to be brutally honest, these aren't great. It's a cheap Chinese transformer. It works, but just be aware, you can't hold me accountable for this because I don't have much trust in this. I don't even trust keeping this on charge overnight. I will have to be in the room when it's charging. This has worked, and it has worked to charge the battery up, so but there you go. You've got your cassette, and you've got your SCART converter. Here's your battery, and this is your remote control, which will work as well. I will show you this. So let's get this started. So if I put this in here, I'm going to be using a spare tape that I've got. Let's turn this on, just focus a little bit. So I can put it on VCR mode to begin with. So there you go. Notices that you don't have a tape. Everything appears to be working there. I will show you the mechanism work for the tape. As you can see, it works. This is the tape that I'll be using to record and play back on. So pop that in. That's gone down. The tape's recognised on the screen. So I'll play. So this is something that I recorded earlier in my room. That's when I realised that the lens cap was still on. So playback works there. Let me rewind. Now I'll show you this screen working as well there. If I now go to sorry, I like making things awkward. Let's just go to one of the modes so I can start recording and show you. So you can see it's all black at the moment. Let me take the lens off. And there's your lens. Flip it back round, and as you can see, worked absolutely fine. So I'm going to now record. 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the test recording for smuddy08. So let me Actually, I don't need that. Sorry, let me focus this again. Show you the zoom working there. Digital zoom. 1 2 3 1 2 3. You see the mic level jumping up and down. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now the record lights all work, as you can see here. I don't know why this is not focusing well. Right, remote controls here. I'm gonna push this button up here to stop recording. There you go, and it stopped. So that proves that the remote works. Right, I'm going to quickly plug this into my TV now, so I can show you the playback on my TV, which I've got here, and you can hear the audio that way as well. And that proves the audio. So if I go to VCR, just going to rewind. Sorry, that bleep was my printer in the background, ignore that. So that's rewinding back. Right, so let's put the lens cover on first, actually. The lens cover, if I can find it. So I'm just going to bounce that off of my old printer. Just a minute. If I go to plug this in, ignore my shoddy camera work kit. I'm just literally plugging stuff in. This video, connect it in. There we go. So I've connected everything here in the background like that. Screen's gone blue, which is a good sign. It means it's recognised it all. So I'm going to use the remote again to play. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the test recording for smuddy08. So actually, I don't think that. Sorry, let me focus this again. Show you the zoom working there. Digital zoom. 1 2 3 1 2 3. You see the mic level jump up and down. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Right. And the record lights all work. So I'm going to stop this now. I'm going to rewind on the remote, and there you have it. That's the camera. That's the full overview. Oh, it's playing again. If you've got any questions, please get back to me. These are quite good cameras. I've now sold 8 of these. I've actually got some spares downstairs, which I'll be putting on eBay soon. If you're interested, just let me know. It includes, it's basically a body of a camera, a lens, a charger, and a spare battery possibly. So I will package all this up into a big box. I will bubble wrap it intensively, so everything should be protected. I will disconnect everything that is shown here for protection, so the mic will be dismounted as well as the viewer, and I will make sure everything's padded out in the box. Thanks for listening. Hope this proves everything. One thing that I will do now is just quickly turn this off and just do a last final proof that this is the same camera that you're buying. If we'll find the battery release button. Sorry. There you have it. That's the serial again. Thanks. Bye.